Okay. Something happened with network, I don't know. Sorry about that. Yeah. Nice to see you. Still here. So we should cast to player. Write a leaderboard integer. So let me do what we need. Again, we need to cast to controller pawn. The same thing. Yeah. Oh, this is not the same thing. Those are achievements. I got achievements working, but not a leaderboard. No, I think it's just for achievements. Thank you also for that. Yeah, it's for achievements. Just to see here what they have. But what they change in the code, what I need to change. Let's look that. Maybe it's not working in the code. The set the name, set line, what? After doing some testing, I found that the changes I made to CPP file, where did you? Online subsystems team, so that's working. Shipping steps. Boards change. How to fix Steam works. It's the question. So if it's working in this version. What is this? Oh, is there English? Translate to English. Is current from one of my clients from my job. Listen to your getting Steam leaderboard. Yeah, sure. It will create the leaderboard stat, but will not actually add any entries. And if the stats already exist, it only make a blank update. Nothing happens. Yes, exactly that. Before I did best he outside, but is there oh, this is old catch. First and foremost, you will be able to see solution with this article. I'm going to show you will obviously need Steamworks game if you don't have one to get your game on Steamworks. Sorry. Okay. You'll also have to download a custom build. It should be compiled. So it's working, yeah. It's working in 4.12. Compile the build. The fix. Go back and search for online leaderboard CPP. Let's try to open our engine in Visual Studio. One of the plugins is here. It should be enabled. Okay. It's enabled. I checked it. Let's try to find leaderboard. Down there. Let's go to classic team. Epic, not epic leaderboard, not epic. Leaderboard, what we are looking for, what file? Huh. Where is that? Where is that page where the guy here? Online leaderboard CPP. But there isn't such. Is there? Yes, it's in private. In the engine. And what did it say? Just to see. This is where the leaderboard interface data is handled to acquire from and send to Steam whenever your game requires access to the leaderboard. Line 18. Notice SS percents, okay, yep. String. From my understanding, this is what seems to prevent the game from updating the leaderboards properly. This thing, jingling. I'm not sure if this is the same practice for all other leaderboard interfaces, since the blueprint is universal and it's meant to update any leaderboards. It is connected to Google, Apple leaderboards. However, apparently this practice doesn't work well for Steamworks. So if the stat name was time, it's particularly setting time for some odd reason. To fix this, simply replace it with s. But what is now? Now is the same. To be one, just one. Just one. Wow. You're trying to edit read-only files. Do you want to mark these files as writable? Yeah, it's not a problem if it's a lot, but it's difficult work. You can make a game in a day, but you can mess with the code and with some concept for a year or more, I don't know. But it will definitely be a long way for me to make something more interesting than just a shooter like it's now, multiplayer level for the rest house. So let's go and move further to line 289. 200. Yeah, making a game is easy, but getting everything to work is a different thing. Yes, sure, exactly that, Raga. 289 here. Be success. So this one, Steam users, that's it is assuming success by inputting the stat name and value. However, It is also adding the old value to the new one. This only adds your time to your existing leaderboard entry. So if the first time you spend 500 seconds during your first time and you spend 200 during your second time, it will update your entry to 520 seconds total. It seems it doesn't handle math well with the value input when setting stats in the code. No entry at all, but I don't think that's what one would want with their game's leaderboard anyway. If I recall, it was meant for trying to beat other original score. Beating the previous record, so what should be done is deny entry until the new entry exceeds the previous one. So we need to change it. Change it. If where is that? 200. $89 here, but where is if old value from here, wait a minute, I think so. If Steam user stat that it's staying there, we're not changing that. But oh, it's down there. Here. Case E online value. Float. Stat get value. If. Okay. So we need to add thing here. If old value if old value is smaller than value, then you can do the rest. Okay. And finally, compile your build and test it in the game. Should we compile? Let's go take a high team. Compile. How can I compile? Generate. Are they now compiled? Not sure. Yeah, Raga, you should definitely at least try and see what play with free scenes. So we're sending it here and branching if it's we'll first write, and if it's so we will read later. Let's say here with M. Like Alt M. We will check it with branch if it's write LeaderBoard in integer. Choose your operating system, writes an integer value to the specific LeaderBoard target. Is LeaderBoard blueprint library write little integer player controller stat? What is that? I mean, I know all of the words, but looking at them like together, I don't get it. Okay, thanks. Yeah, that's the one that I'm using it. Yep. That's this one. So we will try branching from here, and if it's successful, we'll be printing it. So print string, we'll say LeaderBoard success. And if it's not, here on success. Okay, and also here in string, yeah, it should print out. So did I check the link? Yeah, I probably. So this is, we're checking it with which letter? Alt P. No. Alt P, and this will be like input. Come on, cut it. Delete it. Fuck. I cannot delete this. Okay. So this is here, Alt P. And let's say the same one with O, Alt O. Okay. So we'll first try Alt P, then Alt O. Nope, it's not writing there. Where is my Steam? Here. We didn't got anything there. Why? Oh, maybe because we're not in the standalone game, so we cannot use the Steam in that mode. I don't know. Those plugins which are working are expensive. It's about 80 euros. So Alt P and Alt O. Nothing happened here. Daniela te zvala, to sam ti rekao. Pa jesam, Dijana, ja se javim. Ne moš tako neodgovorno se ponašati u životu prema svakom. Nije ona u pitanju. Leaderboards. Да, а сутра може да. I cannot see. Oh, there is some stat. That's stat. Yeah. She's the one I'm speaking to. I'm saying to her that I will find the English word in English. Irresponsible. She cannot be irresponsible. Must answer friends on the phone and she feels guilty because she wasn't at commemoration. Her friend died yesterday, or it was also mine, so there was commemoration, and you know, it's the question, should you go or no, not there, but yeah, no problem, yeah, it happens. He was a philosopher. Kako se preziva? Kako se zvao? Ivan Radenković. I will show you, that's the guy. A još u Blicu izašlo. That's the guy. Huh? I don't know. Yep. Let's see. Yes. So young, for dying, and you know, he didn't smoke, he didn't drink, he was living so healthy life. I cannot see this leaderboard. It didn't show the entry. Get player controller. Oh, just a second. I should here put, and yeah, we need the stat value. Stat value should be random integer in range. Now let's see. In range from 1 to 120. I mean 102,000. Okay. Is it now different? Let me see. Alt P. No, it's not. It's not there. I'm so sorry. But something we're missing. There isn't any entries. Why? So we are not writing to it. It's not uploading. It's not taking it here. Let me try to see. What do we have? Steam friend list. So this is like working, but let me check. So Thursday today. Yes, the API is already there set up. I mean, I think so, because I think that's the same API for the rest of it, like hit Shift S. Oh, it's not connected to Steam. Why it's not connected? Okay, let's go to main menu. Let's see what is happening. If we go to multiplayer, we create a server maximum players 3, use team and play it. Are we there? If we hit Shift S, cannot still connect. Shift tab. Steam isn't working. Oh, do we have Steam? Oh, my Steam is closed. Fuck. Okay, now the Steam is working. Yeah, it can happen. Yeah, but it was open today and it's open in the browser, so I thought that it's also opened down there, but yeah. Oh, that password. Okay. Hey, Coladia. You passed 2 of 3. Nice. We'll be making new exam for the one you fail later on, but before that you must do some practical labs to get easier on the exam. Nice. Congratulations. It's great. So if we hit LP, LOLP, so our name is there. It's working, but I think there is no entries. Yes, it's not working still. Nope. Windows 2012. Windows Server 2012. Oh. Yeah, it's interesting to work with that. No, I didn't work with servers kind of things, but yeah, I would like. I mean, now I'm working, but it's different because I want to send some data to the Steam server. Some fly. But it's not working. Why? Let's see why. So here, let's see. There was an error with double LeaderBoard name. Warning, Steam works API. Single player score does not exist. Needs to be first configured on the Steam work. variable, but when it gets sent to the server it doubles it. Oh, I know why. If you had score, it would be score. You know why it's like that? It's because here you see, you cannot see now, but you need to change something in the online leaderboard CPP. But how did you get it working? I cannot even write it. So I just using it reads the variable. It won't. For me it's not working. Yeah, just change it what you say. I changed that, but I don't know how to write. This is not working for me, and you say it's working for you, so how did you get it to work? I'm struggling with that. It's not working, but you said that you could write a variable. Advanced session. In this collection, videos will cover certain project. It's just this one. You just write leaderboard integer. I can write anything just to see. It won't write it here. Here is the problem. I'm not getting it here. So it's just writing leaderboard, then there is reading. I'm writing it just with Alt P, it can be whatever. Let me ask the Google. So say in C++ file it's making doubling, but it's not writing anything. it's not getting out. I cannot get this print string working, so it's not writing. It's not working. Is this online session working? Do I have it? Like Steam, advanced session. Nothing is working. With achievements are working, but leaderboards are not. So this part here. Let's ask Google. So this was the one article I found that came close to fixing it. It can do C++. Maybe you will have more. Let me see if, yeah, I was reading that. Hey, it's good one. Yeah, that was helped me, but hey, Coladia, yes, it is. It's about changing something here with for Steam leaderboards, but it's not working for me. Doesn't look to fix made it into, unfortunately, any word on when the fix will be integrated with the engine. To even do that, working with Git is not something that they would accept this. It would be best to add extra options to allow decrementing, incrementing, or setting value directly. Let's see if we can try it. Что кажешь? Simply get the feature itself updating. Yeah, it's not updating it properly. You have both the green screen? Yeah, sure. You can just a second if you want. But can you see it? It's big. It's 7-in-1. I mean, you cannot see it from there, but yeah, you see, it's big. It's like not just the green screen is for, you know, shooting like reflection. How they call it. Yeah, any should work, but you need good lighting. I have one light, photo light here, and I also need a better camera for this, so it's not easy to pull it out. Ja, pa da, pa mislim, strašno. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Pa od čega šta kaže srce? Pa kako je? Sorry, starting another project, a stealth VR game on the side. Nice. Wait. Are you satisfied with Steam sales? And because I wanted to go in another project, but just stick with this more. I know it's not profitable, but we'll try to make something. Change the lines in online LeaderBoard interface to handle the stat name. Yeah, it doesn't write any integer. It only creates the LeaderBoard with the given name, just like in the retail engine. But for me, it's not writing. If we write times 01, let me see. Šta znači bilo je baš potresno. To strašno. O Bože milo. Exactly that, Raga. Fucking Steam. Jebeni Steam. Great translation. I like it. I think I have how to check it out. Yeah, it loading it, yeah. Alt P. We should be able to write it. Okay. Nothing here. To look into the Steam LeaderBoard system, and we'll eventually have to get this working. How the hell you know that you will get this working before you did? I wanted to point out a few issues with your code. In your fstring print f, you're passing it 2 parameters, but you only have one formatting parameter. You need to remove the other one. Regarding increment decrement issue, it would best to have the set value be directly set, and then extra functionality and the nodes to handle incrementing and decrementing. Epic Games updates are like Pandora's box. This rate, so fingers crossed. Fuck. It's not working. So get player controller again. And some random integer. Just take some other letter, please. Don't use those alt P. Can we use age? Now, is there something on age? I think not. I edited the code here, but not sure if it compiled. So I tried both, edited the code and in Blueprint. So with age we don't have anything. Let me just put it here. Age. Let it be then age with control here, control age. So age J it's not passing. No, it's not working. Oh, I'm hosting. Great, it was host. Again, host. Come on, come on, come. Yeah, we will, like that guy said, eventually, but not tonight probably. Ja, pa da, pa sigurno. Mislim, ja nisam njega znao, znaš tako. Znao sam ga ovako, nekad mi se javi, nekad ne. I skoro sam ga vidio negdje u gradu, da. So, tonight you can't leave until it's finished. Yeah, it will be a long week fixing this with not certain ending. You can download it here. Source CPP. What? What is she doing? Kissing the baby? What is this shit? Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. What the hell? Yeah. Where? So it's not working, it's not getting nowhere here with this. So leaderboard integer is not working, let's say like that. Setup stay multiply 2 hours. So again, write leaderboard integer is not working. But write, not read. Da-da. Right. Problem. Why? It should update the stat, you silly. You silly. What is the stat? Reload. It should update the stat. Create, add data. Why is it so fast? Is it the Steam? But it's not the Steam, huh? Create player info widget, nope. Create save game object, nope. Let's see. V4 Steam stat. Hey Klapka. I think I have the photo. Yeah, I put it on Discord and also at Steam update page. Thank you again for that. I will show you. Hey Colodia, thank you. I hope also.
I didn't quite get that. Would you mind rephrasing?
Just talking. Hello Cortana. Hello Cortana.
That's me.
Is it working? So, Coladia, thank you. Thank you for being here. And here is the logo. I put it here. I don't have the full one, just the preview. See you, Coladia. I hear myself. Where is that? Oh. No problem, Jacob. That's okay. Again, thank you for sharing that. Jacob did a great logo, which you can see at Discord, and I just show you its Steam page. So Steam Online Stats. Jacob. Okay, Jacob. Jacob or Jacob. How to pronounce? I can call you whatever you want. So Steam Stat UF4 tutorial. Not French, but Jacob is not French. And I thought because of second surname Klapka that you are Jakob Klapka or Jacques or Jacob. Maybe it's Jakob, huh? You bought the rest house? Oh man, thank you, Raga. Thank you. Okay. Jakob. Raga, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. So I will stick definitely with this one. I will improve it as hell because of the buyers, because of the you that are believing in this. I will not stop improving it. So now we will make this multiplayer be really good, and who knows, maybe in the future add that VR thing, but first multiplayer. So why I'm taking my time because you know the deadline just passed. Now we have for this, the next deadline is at the end of this year. So VR is free. Yeah, there is one VR level which is free in the now, but I wanted to add the whole game as VR, like free. So there is just one level for VR because I don't have some motives to do VR, version. Where is the music? Let's listen to something else. Stat? Is there somewhere stat? Online. Advanced session. Get unique net ID for player state. Okay. So let's see here. What do we have? If we go to online. Achievement. Advanced external UI. Advanced friends. Advanced sessions. Unique net ID. We got advanced voice, in-app purchase, LeaderBoard, flash read LeaderBoard integer, sessions turn-based, player info, friend list, advanced external UI. What? Show LeaderBoard UI. Maybe next week you will start to learn Unreal. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Blueprints, yeah, it's not so hard. Hey, Jacob, you got an idea? Free copy to popular YouTubers. Send free copy to popular YouTubers. Present it as an interesting concept to them in an email, and they will maybe play it. Popularity and money. There is some reviewer that gave you 10 from 100. Yes, they're reviewers, but where did you find it? Yeah, but the game will start to tell for itself. That's why we need good multiplayer concept. Yeah, we're all expecting AAA games from indie one-man band. Show LeaderBoard UI. What is the LeaderBoard name? Aha, you found it on Steam. Yeah. Sure. I know. Yeah, it's not an easy task, but the other side, they don't care if that's the team from 100 people and if that's only me, but what can we do? We can improve the game and maybe there'll be better reviews. We'll see. But the other side, we shouldn't care much about them because this is our story, not there. See you soon, Void. Style game. Okay, nice. See you around. Find a lot of your cats. Yeah, we can say them, but if you reply to them, you're getting into argue, which is not good if you're selling something, so better leave it like that. And what is this show leaderboard? What is leaderboard name? What name did we give again? Rest House leaderboard. Let's try to read it. So let's try to read it here. On success, let's print something. Only joking. No, it's a good point. I should tell them that, but best to stay silent as much as you can, but sometimes you cannot. And then you say what you typed. Ne znam, samo ručkaš. So it's age. Leaderboard success. Wow. We got something. It passed there. Let's try to make a new one. We'll call it let's call it 01. Leaderboard 1. The game looks good, like it, doesn't got any stunning graphics, but good usage of light and something that I've never played before. Everyone like Fortnite, and I found little games like this relaxing. Thank you, Jakob. What is $3.99? It's nothing but your time. Making the game has cost your time. People don't understand. Yeah, people don't understand, and we cannot blame them much because I caught myself when I opening some games, so it's not working. Why? Shitty developers and so, and then I just thinking, oh, but somebody made it and put a lot of time in it. You can export Jakob as PNG or whatever you like. So it's 12 o'clock already. I should probably just try to solve this offline. I mean off stream. So if we hit age, okay, Jakob. I cannot see it here. Why? It's success, but get player name. Steam API. Request friend. Nothing. And what it say here? It's about plugin. Steam LeaderBoard. Huh? But this plugin cost 80 euros. Steam unique player ID, what we can with this. Hey Raga, I think I tried. I installed it and tried, but not for long. No, купил игрицу. Pa da, čekam da mi ovaj pošalje samo neku sliku. Oh man. Stats. So the other way is to get it working in new Unreal version. Naylon kes. Çebe откуда? Reading Steam stats. Set leaderboard stat. Set leaderboard stat. Ini file like achievements, because for me reading stats work 1 out every 10 times. Like you, writing stats work perfectly. For me, writing stats are not working. How do people get it to work, that right thing? Steam write stats. Difference. I don't get it. Jakob, did you finish export? Because I will need. Okay, can leave the stream open till you finish, but I'll need to go to prepare for the bed. Okay, no problem. The key message are proceed. I don't want to spend 80 bucks just on this because it's too much. Does have most of the lag work? You just don't know it. First off, the achievements leaderboard and stat system is shared Steam user stats. The problem is that UE4 implements part of the system mainly for achievements, or their leaderboard interface, where actually we could just lump it all into the same interface, but they choose not to. The async Steam tasks are written, but just the shell and it are coded for use only for leaderboards. The way that implement it is up to you. Normally you request a task. Okay, no problem, I can shrink it down. Thank you. But how can I... Okay, Jakob, thank you. Oof. Did I got it? I didn't check it. I will check it now. Oops. Just a second. Hey. Where should be it? I cannot see it. Dropbox. I can search for the same. No, this is the previous. Can you send me the link? And where is the link? Yeah, I'm looking at Discord here. Is it in general? In private? Just to see if I disable this. And how can I open private? Uh-huh. Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah. Okay. Was that something red before? No? Yeah, with under that line under the letters. Yeah, it looks nice. Thank you, man. Oh, it's small. I need to download it. Ah. Download. Yeah, I know. I'm downloading it now. Yeah, but why is it? This one, okay. This one is 2000. Okay, we're good now. We're good. $300. I think this is enough. Second folder. This one. Okay. Nice. Great, man. You really helped me with that. So do we have some working, I must see tomorrow, some other working version with multiplayer online. Context FPS game. You love 2D graphics, great. Player build system. Steam multiplayer. Is this working? Should we open it? Because I want to subsystem generator. This is also. Why is. Let me just check. Fuck it. Did you think about the rest house logo? Yes, I was thinking, but I had that images like that you see here, like it's with those kind of letters and with house and green leaves, but I don't have time to make it, so we'll see in the future. But yeah, I would like it to be simple, like rest house with those letters which are stylized, and then a lot of leaves like green. We'll see. Maybe in the future. Show LeaderBoard UI. Oh, fuck. Do we want now to open that other project? Just to check. Those two, so subsystem generator, art pics like in the logo background on Steam. Nice. But you can, I don't have some specific pictures. You can take and experiment with whatever you want. There are pictures in the Steam gallery. I will send you the link now. Steam. Community. Screenshots. Here are, you can take some of those, experiment. Yep. So just opening this Steam multiplayer to check it out. Thank you, Jakob. We must pull it out somewhere. It must work somewhere. Okay, let's see in the level blueprint. What do we have? If we played... Oh, that's the guy. Need standalone game. What? The one that I just show, that red wood, this one? No, but I want to implement it in the next multiplayer, but first we need to get it work. Oh, so things are not working here. But Steam is working. Steam is working. Huh. Let me try with achievements. Let me try to write something. So in this level, let's subsystem configurator. I don't want this voxel plugin anymore. Did they? Voxel is good, yeah. Yeah, we'll try it. But the caves, yeah. But first really need this advanced session plugin. So right. Are we getting something? So player controller. On success. Print. Yeah. No, it's not. It's not communicating. It should write there. And let's print another string here. No, it will be no. So must figure it out some other way for those leaderboards. I mean, we have our leaderboards there which are dealing with time. Come on. It's no, as you can see. It's no, it's not. It cannot read. Let me try Space War. Steam Space War. But why Space War? Can I change it here? I bought that plugin. Please change it here in the project settings. Plugins. Online configuration should update target. Where is that? Online subsystem. Networking. Steam app ID should be, you know what? Game server report relaunch. Steam, does game version differ? Game version. Achievements. So Steam IP, we need the Steam API for our game. That's the number. This one, I think. Yes, base name is for testing. It's like the game which is there for testing. Is this I'm not sure. Steam development ID. Let me check here. Let me try it. It's working. So it's playing our game. Great. Great. No, but it's not good. Blueprint. So it's not writing. And now we can check our achievements. So let me try again. Go there. And say this leaderboard. Read leaderboard integer. Let me save. No, again. It's not writing it. Let me check it again. No. So it's not passing here. It's failure. Is it failure? But it went through. It went through. Which is good. No, again. Now it's not. Now it gave us on failure that. But what we need to write leaderboard in. Let's write it time 1. Stat value, put 10. And yeah. Come on, give me something at the end, please. That multiplayer thing is the hardest thing for me. Yeah, it passed. It passed. Wow, man. Let me see. It should be what we wrote there. Time 01. Time 01. We got something. We got something. Now. Yep. So, like, if you see in this, what level are we opening? Star 01. So if we open this level, I want just to copy this before open the next level. Yeah. Is this the one? Game default map main menu. Okay, but this is also the one that we're looking for. So player will be able to build. Is this the one that working? No, that's the other, but come on. Yeah, it's working. But I think I cannot build here, yeah. Definitely. But we can write it down, those stats, can we? Write stat. I have, but not in this level, in some other level. But yeah, like build system, you can build a house. So now I get some other much larger scene with trees and such, and I also have that build system, and I want to put together those 3 or 4 elements, like surviving, building system, and then to make multiplayer. I mean, first to make it multiplayer, then adding those things, because now, as you could see, multiplayer should work. But just that right stat. Yeah, it will be interesting probably. View scores time 01, but no scores. Huh. No scores. Why there is no scores? There are some plugins, paid ones. What is the command for stats? But it didn't wrote that. It just put a new one. I didn't wrote any. Why is that? Still right LeaderBoard integer doesn't update. That's the problem. That's, I don't know. Stat collection. A lot of problems with this. Yeah. The stat for right LeaderBoard only looks up till. Call the right LeaderBoard node. It will actually add your value to the original value. it will be 20. It will be 10, please. Give me 10. So I can go to sleep. No, nothing. Nothing there. Why? Oh, it's not the same stat name. Should be like this. No. What is the problem? Did I delete that? Oh, yes, I deleted. Oof. So delete this one also. Delete this one. First, we'll write the second one. Yeah, but it will not work and it's time to go now. So let me first do this. With this, and then he can write on failure. He will say no, but here I want it to print out this. Oh no, in string. Yep. Okay. It's true, and the second one it's not getting. I don't know why. The first one it's okay, but here and last thing that I want to see how they look like Steam leaderboards. We will make our own leaderboard. We already have one. Oh, I took wrong. We already have one, and we can put all things there that we need. Yeah. Leaderboard. Yes. Here we'll put the score and the message, and it will be like how fast you got the round. Yeah. Because I really don't know how they even look like. I never saw. So Steam leaderboard. Let's see. Steam gameplay stat. But games. Game and player statistics. This is really bullshit. I cannot find it. Cannot see. Here is it. And now what? What should I? Kifla. What is this? Carrier weekend score. Oh, that are the stats. For the game. For F1. And if we put our is that now? Not achievement, it's not. Where is this? Where can I find it? Apps, leaderboards. View scores. There is no players. Need to think more about it. So that was it for tonight. Thank you for everything. Thank you for buying the game, for watching, for that picture, and hope to see you around. Yep. Bad time, Raga. Yep. So long time. Yep. See you around. Have a good night. Have a good sleep. And we're going right there into the dreams soon. Bye bye. Later. Yeah. Peace.